Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of this 8-pair passive video Balun BNC to RJ45 adapter with power, ground loop isolated Cat5e/Cat6 to BNC converter, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This adapter is designed to simplify and enhance your analog security camera setup by allowing you to transmit high-quality video signals over long distances using standard Ethernet cables. This product stands out due to its innovative transmission technology, leveraging the latest IC chipset to deliver crystal-clear video resolutions ranging from 1080p up to 5MP. It supports transmission distances up to 400 feet via Cat5e or Cat6 cables, which is a significant upgrade over traditional coaxial or siamese cables that often suffer from signal degradation and interference. The inclusion of a ground loop isolation feature helps eliminate common video disturbances, ensuring a stable and clean video feed. One of the key benefits of this adapter is its American chipset upgrade, which enhances durability and stability. The multi-isolated connectors and protectors add an extra layer of reliability, making this device suitable for professional-grade security systems. The construction quality is premium, featuring pure brass contacts and an anti-jamming design that minimizes interference. Additionally, the kit includes IP67, rated waterproof self-fusing butyl rubber tape, making it ideal for outdoor installations where weather resistance is critical. It can withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, so it performs well in harsh environments. Installation is straightforward with its plug-and-play design, compatible with a wide range of analog systems including HD2VI 3.0/5.0, AHD 5.0, and HDCVI 4.0 DVRs and cameras from popular brands like Hikvision, Dahua, LTS, and ANK. However, it's important to note that this adapter is intended for analog systems only and is not compatible with IP cameras or NVR setups. Pros of this product include high-quality video transmission up to 5MP over long distances, 400 feet, durable, weatherproof design suitable for outdoor use, ground loop isolation for clear, disturbance-free video, easy plug-and-play installation with a wide range of analog camera systems, reliable American chipset, and premium connectors for enhanced stability, 2-year warranty, and 24/7 technical support for peace of mind. Cons to consider: not compatible with IP cameras or NVR systems. Limiting use to analog setups. Passive Balun design means it requires proper cable quality and installation for best results overall. This 8-pair passive video Balun adapter is a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade their analog CCTV system with better video quality and longer cable runs using standard Ethernet cables. The weatherproof features and solid build quality make it a dependable option for outdoor security camera installations. Remember, if you're interested in purchasing this product, the discounted link is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab a great deal and enhance your security system today.